Hello and welcome to the Secrets of the Sacred. I hope you all are doing fine, you're happy, you're healthy, and you're feeling beautiful. So, today we are back with another general reading. This will be a general reading, as you can see. This is not a pick a pile or a pick a deck or anything like that. I'll be pulling up some cards for you and I will describe your present situation. What can you expect in the future, or just general guidance about your present situation or what's happening. So, if that resonates with you, this is yours to keep. If it doesn't resonate, don't force it because this is a general reading. Okay? Uh, if you're new here, then please hit that subscribe button, be a part of this family, and yeah, if you like the video, let me know in the comments. Like this video, share it, and you know the drill. Okay. Okay, so let us pull up some cards for you, and all the information about me you will find it in the description box below. If you want to check it out, you can, yeah. Okay, we have discontent and boredom in the reverse, number 4. So the first feeling I'm getting here is you are trying to come out of a current situation, a current position, or something in your life right now that is not making you happy, that is not satisfying you. You're trying to come out of it. It can be anything, it can be love, it can be a job, a career, whatever. Transformation, number 13. So I'm definitely seeing that you have gone through some kind of a transformation, or you are going through some kind of a transformation right now. You are wanting to leave something behind you, or you have already left something behind, and you are trying to have this new beginning kind of a thing in your life right now, or you want a new beginning, you want that strength. But I'm seeing you transform. I'm seeing a lot of green here, so maybe this is something related to your heart chakra. It might not be, but you're healing something. I'm also hearing you're healing your heart chakra. Maybe you have been through something that broke your heart, or that was not a very good experience for your emotional well-being. This can be anything, love, career, again, anything. But I'm seeing you healing yourself, transforming yourself, and trying to come out of a situation that was not for your highest good, or that was not making you really happy. We have awareness in reverse, number 1. So I'm seeing that you are really not, this is becoming very difficult for you, coming out of this cycle that you are into, or you were into. This is becoming very difficult for you coming out of it, because you are not 100% like you are not listening to your intuition, and you are not 100% seeing your situation for the way it is in reality. You are still, some of you, not everyone, some of you are still clinging on to something with some kind of a hope, or some kind of a belief system that you're having right now, that this may change, this may take a turn, something may happen. But deep down, you know that you have to go through this transformation, you have to make a choice, you have to come out of the situation that made you feel stuck in the past, or is making you feel stuck in the present. So yes, that is the first feeling I got. Okay, so what is your current situation? Let us see your current. We have the Empress. Okay, so I'm seeing that you are, as I said, trying to come out of something in your life, and you are very much in your power, trying to be in your power, coming back to your power, and you're taking care of yourself. You're trying to develop yourself, maybe in any kind of a way, financially, mentally, emotionally, physically. You are trying to develop yourself, you're trying to have this new beginning, this new you're trying to manifest it, and you are very much wanting to have a new start, and you are transforming with a lot of pain, or with a lot of hope that this will help you transform, this will help you grow something. I'm also getting a feeling that you're waiting for something and that didn't turn out the way you wanted it to. It took so long that you have to like move away. We have the Two of Cups. So definitely this can be a decision that you are delaying, or you were delaying, but because you thought that you were not aware of all the facts that surrounds this decision, so you were like kind of a confused, you were unsure about which way to go, which decision to take, because you thought that there were things hidden from you, you didn't know, or you were waiting for something to give you this clarity. But now I think you are disappointed in something and you're trying to work on yourself, and make the right choice, and you're choosing yourself. Okay, and this can be a love situation. I'm seeing that maybe someone has some feelings for you, um, but if that is, then you know that person, because this is mutual love. You also have feelings for that person. Let us see, why is the Two of Cups here? Why is the Two of Cups here? Princess of Cups. Okay, so okay, so the thing I'm getting is that you were waiting on someone here. Okay, in the past you were waiting on someone to do something, to just make a move towards you, or to just take the next step basically. Okay, you were waiting on someone, and that person actually ended up disappointing you, ended up really breaking your heart, and then you decided to move forward, but you still have hope that this situation with this person may work out, may not, but you are still having hope, but you are at the same time deciding to work on yourself, to move forward, to charge forward, to develop yourself and transform into this new you basically. Okay, and I'm seeing that the person you're talking about, or the person you're dealing with basically, has mutual feelings for you. Okay, maybe they were holding back a bit in the past, they were not letting you know how they felt, or there was some kind of a separation or something, I don't know, but this person has mutual feelings for you as well, if you don't know that. With this Princess of Cups, I think this person will make some kind of an apology. They are sorry, they want to tell you that they are sorry, or some kind of a offer, just something very small, but something for sure. King of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so whoever this person is, I think this person is very passionate about you, physically attracted towards you, and maybe you both are at a distance from each other. It can be, it's not necessary, but I think you people are at a distance from each other. And what I'm getting here is, with this King of Wands, it can be that this person and your connection is kind of an off and on kind of a connection, like you have a lot of hope, but you don't know right now where you stand in their life, or whether this connection does have a future or not. You're not sure, you don't know, but you have a lot of love, and I think this person is trying to get back to you, get in touch with you if you have parted ways, because the Empress and the King of Wands are looking at each other, if you can see that. So they are definitely thinking of taking some kind of an action towards you, if they have not taken in the past. And it might have been that they were not giving you enough time, or enough energy, enough effort into this connection, so you thought, just whatever, I have to work on myself, I have to get my things together, I have to work on my life, and you did that. And when you did that, when you started working on yourself, this person was pulled back to you. So it is kind of a law of attraction kind of a thing that is working in here. Okay, With this Queen of Pentacles, I think this person is very much money oriented. Right now, they are very much concentrated on their finances or their business, their career, So they are like really trying to balance out the situation with you and their career, with you and their finance. Okay. I don't really see a third party here, but for some of you, if you already know that you are in a third party situation, I'm seeing that your person is like coming towards you from the third party. Maybe they are just ghosting the third party, they are just cutting cords with the third party, maybe not permanently, I don't know, but definitely they are wanting to take some action towards you and your connection. Okay, so what can you expect next? Four of Pentacles. Definitely. So either you or your person, someone here hasn't lost hope. They this can be you, this can be your person. Someone is holding on tightly to this connection. Okay, someone still has this belief that this connection can have something more in the future. Now this can be you also, that you are still having hopes here. Okay, so I'm also seeing that maybe in the past your person was not opening up to you. They were really closed off. They were not like taking any action towards you in the past. Or right now they're not taking any action. That is why you are trying to move forward. But in the future, I am seeing them coming towards you in some way or the other. We have the Nine of Swords. Okay. So if your person was really holding back in the past, or whoever was holding back in the situation, they were holding back their feelings, how they felt towards you, they were not opening up, they were not telling you anything, that caused a lot of pain. That caused a lot of heartbreak for you and this connection, in this connection. It was like you had all these hopes, you had all these dreams, and this person just didn't care. They made you feel like you are nothing, you are not of any importance, and you don't matter, and that really broke your heart. The Lovers. Okay, so definitely there is love here in this situation, if you're just wondering. This person does feel about you, but maybe they were busy in their career or somewhere else. If I hope this is not a third party. That is why maybe they were closed off, they were not very much concentrating in your connection. But I see that they have a lot of love for you. This love is mutual. It can be a soulmate, it can be a twin flame, if you like believe in those things. It can be. Okay. Okay, what can you expect? Not so many. What can you expect? Temperance. So it can be that you are single right now, you're both separated and you're single, and maybe your person is single. If they were in a third party situation, then I think they are single, they have left that third party, they have left the other person, maybe they parted ways with that other person, and right now they are kind of a single, available kind of a thing. Or it can be that this is you. Okay. Let us see. The Chariot. So definitely there is some kind of a movement coming. This person is making a movement towards you, or you are like moving forward, but some kind of a movement, a decision has been made. I think this is more of your person's energy. Your person had made a decision to move towards you. They have finally, they were closed off in the past, but now they have like made their minds. Okay, they know that you are shining, they know that you are glowing, and they are like, damn, I mean, they didn't expect that, did they? Knight of Pentacles. So they are definitely moving towards you, but this movement is very slow. Like you may not feel like it, you may seem it may seem that your person is not ready for a commitment, they are not coming towards you, they are in this temperance, they are in this temperance mode, that is they are very much single, you know, having fun and going around places and people, but they are moving towards you. Maybe energetically they have just started moving towards you, they have like made up their minds, but I'm seeing that this is very slow, you know, very very slow. What else can we expect? But if you don't want this person back, it is okay, it's your choice. So we have this high priestess here. So right now I think you are, or your person is really balancing out things in their life. They're like, I think this is you kind of, should you invest, should you wait, should you move on, should you wait or just go? You are in this kind of an energy here, you don't know what to do exactly. Wheel of Fortune. I think this is a very much a divinely guided situation or connection that you're in right now, you know, the soulmate twin flame kind of a thing. With this Wheel of Fortune, the wheels are turning, times are changing, and the person who was holding back in the past is now finally making steps, baby steps towards this connection. I say baby steps because of this Knight of Pentacles energy here. This is the slowest moving knight in the entire deck. So, you know. Okay. But definitely movement is coming. Maybe slow, but you know, just it is coming. And I see you sitting here like contemplating and thinking about things. Six of Cups. So reconciliation and coming back. This person thinks about your connection a lot. They are really thinking about your memories. They are in this nostalgic place right now. They think about how good times you have spent together, the memories, the pictures and everything. And this is a card of a reconciliation, so this is a confirmation kind of that yes, they are. King of Pentacles, Knight of Swords. Okay, so you are gonna get some kind of a clarity in this situation, maybe just a kind of confirmation. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, so I'm seeing that definitely this person is kind of will communicate with you very soon, if not within a few months maybe, and they will try to make you some kind of an offer. Or it also can be that some kind of an offer is coming towards you. It can be a career or a job offer, but I think this is related to this pentacle since we are talking about love. So this person will talk to you, there will be some kind of a breakthrough in this situation, some kind of a clarity coming your way, and some kind of an offer also. Okay, so what next? What? Ace of Cups. Definitely a love offer, definitely a new beginning, an offer to, you know, really fix things. Five of Pentacles. So maybe in the past your person thought that you left them, or you left them in the cold, or it was you who felt like your person left you out in the cold. Like you had no answers, they just left, they just vanished, disappeared, and you were there sitting all heartbroken and crying and depressed. Also a message is coming through that for some of you, when this person returns to you, when this person makes this love offer to you, I think you are gonna let this person go, reject them, or you are like, you know what, I waited for you, you took so long, and now I've moved on, I'm out, I'm gone, you know. And that's okay for some of you. If this person did hurt you in the past, if they did something like immature and weird towards you, then you know that's justified. But for some of you, that is the energy. Princess of Pentacles. So some kind of a message this person is gonna, I think when this person comes back or tries to have clarity with you or tries to communicate, it will be a small message, It may be a text or a call, something very small, precise, and this person would maybe ask you for a date or to go somewhere with them to hang out, chill out, and then very gradually they will, start talking about their feelings or about this reconciliation coming towards kind of a thing, and that will happen very slow. Okay, with this Ten of Pentacles, I think this connection has the potential to be something bigger than what it is right now. So I'm seeing with this Ten of Pentacles that this connection has the potential to move forward. This connection can have a future if you both, really decide to work on this together. Now this is your free will, people. For some of you, I'm seeing that you are going to reject this person when they return because you have moved on, you have chosen a new path, and you're like, no, I have been waiting for you, or I have you have made me go through so much of a pain and so much of a depression that I have finally transformed. I have finally got into this new direction, and I'm not going back with you. Your loss, that kind of a thing. Okay, so we're gonna draw some Moonology cards for you and end this. Let us see, what does the universe have for you and your person, this connection, this situation. What does the universe have for you? Okay. A win-win situation is forecast, full moon in Libra. So maybe you're dealing with a Libra or an air sign, or maybe you are a Libra or an air sign. It is not necessary, but just saying. So a win-win situation is forecast, definitely. So if this person seems to be coming back for sure, so if you want to go with this person, if you want to be with this person, accept their proposals, then I see that you people have a potential for a better outcome, better future together. And if some of you doesn't, like if some of you rejects this person or is out, then I see you moving forward. Transformation has taken place, or you are transforming and you are going into this new direction altogether. So whatever you do, the universe has your back. That is great, doesn't it? Okay. Let us see what else. Oops. Your commitment is being tested. Okay, so I'm seeing the universe wants you to know that if you are really committed to this person, if you are really wanting this renewal to happen between you two, then you must have patience. Maybe you are like getting very impatient at times, or you're like getting very pessimistic, negative, and you're like, no, this is not for me, nothing good can happen for me, and this is not right. Stop thinking like that. That is what the universe wants you to know. Like, you don't think like that. So if you want this reconciliation, if you want this person back, then work on yourself, maybe manifest, do some manifestations, because anyways I'm seeing this person coming back. So let us see. Conclusions are within reach, so definitely if some of you wanted a closure with this person, that is also coming. So whatever you are wanting out of this situation, I think that is coming. If you want a reconciliation, definitely a reconciliation. If you want to move forward, you can. If you want closure, this person is coming back. You may have closure with this person. So it's up to you now, okay? So I hope this resonated. Thank you so much for joining in, for watching. If this resonated, please hit that like button and like the video, share it if you want to, subscribe to the channel if you are new and be a part of the family. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next reading. Bye.